Now I'll show you how to optimize the text on your pages and specifically how to add H tags. So H tags have got a value of H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, and the smaller the number, so H1 is the bigger the text visually. So H1 will be very big visually, so it will be like a big title. H6 will be the smallest. And you can add them. They work the best really as the tags between paragraphs because they are great to use to describe the paragraphs, to add your keywords if they're relevant, and they help Google understand what the content is about, what the page is about. So I'll show you how to add them. So let's start with H1. So let's add them before the first paragraph. So I've put this is H1 tag. I will highlight it, and under this formatting option, I will click it and put H1. So this is H1. If you go to the coding, you can see, I'm not sure if it's they gave us this kind of messy coding, so I'll remove it. So this is the simple. This is the simplest code for H1. So H1, open close bracket, text, H1 closed bracket. And I'll show you how it looks on the live website. And this is H1 tag. You can also change the size of it. I'll show you in the next video, but I will add other tags. So let's add H2 tag. So the same way, this is H2 tag. Add H2 value, clean the code because obviously we will need to on this particular page. Okay, save it and preview it. And this H2 tag, as you can see, slightly smaller than H1 tag. Now let's add H3 tag and H4. And now let's add H6 at the bottom. Now you can see how these tag sizes really change from H1 the biggest, then smaller H2, 3 tags smaller, 4 tags smaller, and H5, H6 tags the smallest, almost as big as your default font, but still has got the H tag value. And adding them is really important for Google, for the search engine, so don't forget adding H1 tags to your text. I would say H1 and H2 tags carry the biggest value for Google, so these are the most important on the page, and they should be fixed at the very top of every page.